Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M54 and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So before I get started, I am gonna quickly mention that we will need a cable that is plugged into your PC for this. And next on your phone, just hold power button, volume down, and from the boot options that will show up, select power off. Give it a moment, the device will turn off, and when it does so, you wanna plug in the cable, and when you plug it in, you wanna then hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see Galaxy show up under, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And you can see this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now cable was only needed to get us in here, so once we are in recovery mode, we can unplug it. Now in this mode you will need to also use volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which is fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, on system, view logs, run tests, power off, repair apps, and then we're back to the first option, which I'll now select so I can get back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.